world, my name is Brenden Taylor. This is my CS50 final project. I've made a fuel logging application called fLOGr. It's intended to capture data at the pump for each refuel of your vehicle. This data is stored into a SQLite 3 database with Python crunching the data and to be displayed in fLOGr using Flask and Jinga. This is the Python app that runs it. I've got lots of different routes that run the websites or the web pages, sorry. Let's jump in and have a look anyways. So this is the landing page, I guess, for anyone who's not logged into the website. We can register a user. Super secure password. Go register. So when you register, it takes you straight to the add a vehicle to your garage page. This is where we can add a registration for the vehicle. We set a default fuel type. Let's say this is Premium 98. The vehicle type can be a car. You can add whatever make and model you want here. Let's just make it easy. It goes boom. The year that this was manufactured was definitely in 2017, and the odometer is 98,000 kilometers. So when you save that there, vehicle added successfully. You've now got a vehicle in your garage. You can go and add a new vehicle, do the process again, and you can also look at those details again. When you're in a small screen like an iPhone or something like that, not all of these fields are displayed. We can enter a new record here. You select from the drop down of vehicles in your garage. At the moment we've only got one. It defaults back to your Premium 98. However, you can update that and change that to whatever you want there. It also defaults to today's date, or you can backdate it. But you are not able to set a date into the future. Receipt number and purchase date are both optional. Currently not really used in my data set, but I have plans on using that in the future in future revisions. We enter the litres here. We did 20.68 litres on the last fill up, and the price per litre was $1.89.7. 20 litres at $1.89.7 got us, let's say 142 kilometers. This is a comment. Let's save that there. There's your first log. This is calculating the sale price for that purchase at $39.23. And litres per 100 kilometers was 14.56 litres per 100. You're able to also filter this if you have multiple different cars. It's not going to show it here. I'll show that later in a sec. So that's in the view log page. We can go to the stats page, and this shows the statistics for your vehicles. This isn't going to show very much at the moment because there's only one vehicle in our garage. This is the last log details. 0 days since the last fill up, 142 kilometers on the last tank. This is all the information that we've just put in anyways. This is total combined global statistics if you have multiple vehicles. And if we click on here, some vehicle specific statistics for that specific vehicle. You can also apply a date range to be able to change these values. If we go log out, super secure password again. This is as a current existing user. It goes straight to the enter new record. Handy for when you're at the pump and you want to just whack it straight in. This is what a fully populated log could look like. We can show up to 100 entries per page. These are all calculated here as well. This is where we can filter by the registration. So if we filter by the Mazda, these are only logs for the Mazda. Again, you can change how many you want on the page, and you can page through the pages. This is all filterable as well, or sortable, I guess, by the date, even by the sale price, kilometers, where you purchased it at, receipt number, fuel code. If we go into the statistics page while logged in as this user, you can see we've now got 2 vehicles in the garage. The last log of the last time we filled up apparently was 6 days ago for this registration on the 13th of July. 843 kilometers on the last tank. Sale price of $259 at $2.09.8 per litre. We got 14.64 litres per 100 for this registration on the last fill up. With all the data that is in the database at the moment for this user, these are the current statistics that are calculated on those values for both vehicles in this garage. We can then jump into a vehicle specific. These are the details for that vehicle. We can change the date range. And click apply. And that then updates the statistics for this vehicle. This also shows the last recent 20 logs for the vehicle as well. If we go into the garage here, you can see that we've got the 2 vehicles here. Again, not useful on a large screen, but on a little screen you won't be able to see all these details in the table. So you can click on the vehicle there and it shows you the details. I hope you've enjoyed my presentation. This is fLOGr, and also this was CS50. Thank you very much.